But at the end of the day, if Victor Osimhen understand and say, okay, Chelsea, come, I'm going to reduce my wages, I'm going to join you, why not? We'll take him. Every team would like to have Osimhen. Every coach would like to have a striker like Victor Osimhen in his team. So why not? If Osimhen reduce the wages, he's welcome to Chelsea. Chelsea interested to sign. Initially, Chelsea submitted 35 million. They rejected that. Dortmund. And information came that Dortmund won 50 million. As we are speaking now, Chelsea submitted the 50 million. Dortmund rejected that again and said they won 55 million. And do you know why now they said they won 55 million? Initially, they said they won 50 million when Chelsea submitted 35 million. Do you know why? Because this is the last day. So Dortmund knew very well that we need Gittens. Whether raining or now we need him. As we are speaking now, when you are looking at our wing department, we only have 2 players there. Yes, Neto and Madueke. Unless maybe as the lab came, Enzo Maresca will now turn Justin to a winger, and I don't see that happening a lot because it will be too competition between Delap and Justin as our striker. So as we are speaking now, we have 2 wingers, Madueke and Neto. So Dortmund knew that. Now Chelsea need a winger to add to their squad to be able to compete in the club tournament. So that is why they increased the price. And this is all because of our sporting directors doesn't know what they are doing. How you want to sign a player, you keep on chasing that player, till the last day. The team will now knew that, okay, no matter the station, this is the last day, Chelsea want to sign Gittens. They must sign him. So that is why they increased the fee. They were saying, or they said 50 million. Now Chelsea presented the 50 million on the last day. Now they said Chelsea should bring 55 million. We have to bring the 55 million because we don't have anything to do. Because of our sporting director not being smart, they waited till the last day. Now they are about to use that as an advantage and get more money. That is business. That is, see, our sporting directors, I don't think if they are going to have future in Chelsea, our competition will be hard. It will take long season time for Chelsea to compete. I'm telling you, if these sporting directors will stay for a longer time, we are going to suffer when it comes to competition because their negotiation power, their negotiation abilities, everything about their negotiation is so poor. Look at that Casado transfer. Look at Enzo Fernandez. Almost all the transfer they deal with it at the end of the last day, and which also pay a exorbitant fee, which were not supposed to happen. So guys, our sporting directors, for me, I don't trust them. And the owners, because I can tell you that the owners are controlling the sporting directors. There is influence from the owners. The sporting directors are paupers. They are not doing things based on their abilities. They are doing things based on the owners' commands. And these owners, they knew nothing about football. They are just business people. They turn our Chelsea to stock market, signing young players for them to grow in the future. We don't know what they are going to do. We don't even know their plans, whether they are signing them to sell them in the future or to sell the whole squad and make their money, their profit. We don't know. Because how on earth you bought a team like Chelsea, Champions League winning team, you want to be signing 18 years, 19 years, you don't want to balance the squad. No Osimhen, no experience, no Victor Yogo, no Issa, nothing. Look at the midfield, look at the defense, look at the striking position. No experience in this Chelsea team. So guys, as we are speaking now, Chelsea and Dortmund are in negotiation. Chelsea want to complete the deal. And even before Gittens can play for the Club World Cup, he must do his medical today. Chelsea must complete the deal today and Gittens do his medicals today before everything now confirmed that he can play for Club World Cup. And can that happen today? So upon all the days, Chelsea only signed 1 player. And as I said, because Liam Delap was a release clause, if it were to be a fee negotiation, I don't think Chelsea would have signed him. So guys, that is the information. Yes, Gittens to Chelsea is still on. Yes, Chelsea presented 15 million. Now Dortmund asked for 55 million. Information from Fabrizio. They are negotiating with Chelsea to see if they can get the deal done today. So as I said, upon all the days wasted only on 1 player. So this club tournament, I was hoping I was having the, let me say, at least the 80% chance that we can even reach the final. But looking at this squad, like we didn't strengthen any department to stand the chance of competing in the Club World Cup. Which department? Apart from the striking department. And we don't know even what Liam Delap is bringing. So guys, that is the information for Gittens, Jamie Gittens, information or transfer to Chelsea. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And let's come to Esugo official announcement from Chelsea camp. Chelsea landed Osugo. Now Osugo joined Chelsea and he will play in the club tournament. Yes, from Chelsea camp, he will be a backup for Moses Caicedo and he will be a backup for Lavia, injury-prone Lavia, so that next season Caicedo can be getting the rest and Lavia will, so any day that maybe the injury come, will not miss him. The same as Andrew Santos. All these players are available for the Club World Cup. Chelsea will travel there on Friday. Chelsea will play their first game on Monday, so they will travel and to United States and train, I think 2 days before, yes, 2 days before the game day or the starting day, Monday. So guys, that is the information, Chelsea official announcement for Esugo, Daro Esugo, the GM, the midfielder, the talented midfielder Chelsea signed from Sporting Portugal. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Chelsea put the deal off for Magnum. Now Gittens, they are in talks. Osimhen from Fabrizio, guys. Now Osimhen to Al Hilal is off. Nothing is happening again, but Galatasaray is still on the list, and we don't know. They are doing underground works for Chelsea also. Yes, he is still on the list of Chelsea. And Chelsea stand, as we all knew, that Chelsea want him to reduce the wages. If Osimhen will accept to reduce the wages, then Chelsea will sign. We shall see. We shall see. Maybe that decision will come from Osimhen. But for me, I still stand that Osimhen qualities, see, what Osimhen can bring to any team, he deserves anything he is asking for. But at the end of the day, if Victor Osimhen understand and say, okay, Chelsea, come, I'm going to reduce my wages, I'm going to join you, why not? We'll take him. Every team would like to have Osimhen. Every coach would like to have a striker like Victor Osimhen in his team. So why not? If Osimhen reduce the wages, he's welcome to Chelsea because Osimhen is already Chelsea fan. So guys, that is the latest information for Victor Osimhen also. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.